have lower cholesterol than those who rarely eat nuts.
Now I gotta eat nuts. I like the wine diet better. Well, it's a growing problem in our fitness-crazed society, bike injuries, specifically kids damaging, even losing fingers to exercise bikes. Now tonight, in a Focus investigation, Channel 10's Meg Grant talks to kids who have learned about the danger the hard way.
I had a bike.
Little Sarah Froberg knew that she wasn't supposed to ride her friend's exercise bike, so she played with the pedals instead.
I put my hand on the chain to stop it, and it went rolling around fast, and my finger got caught up in the part where it goes in.
Sarah cut off the top of her thumb. Stephen Massey cut off an entire finger. He was sitting next to a friend's exercise bike when he got buzzed by a bug.
And a bee came, I squatted, and it got caught there.
Where?
In the chain.
This is the finger that Stephen inadvertently amputated in the bike chain, the long finger here. And then Stephen came to the hospital, and they actually had to go back and get this part of the finger that was still on the lawn. And then they brought this part in, and on ice, which is supposed to be, wrapped in a bag and placed on ice, not directly on the ice. And that's when we took Stephen to the operating room.